Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A12S, and today I'll show you how we can create folders on the home screen. So at first, click and hold up icon and then drag it for another one. As you can see, when we make it, the folder will be open and we can at the first change name. Next, click done and also change color. You can pick this one. When you click on X, it will be close. You can also add other apps by tapping here. So we can add here wherever you want. Then click down, and as you can see here we have application. When you click outside, it will be closed and you can move that folder like any other icon. So as you can see, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.